In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a split test in ClickFunnels. A split test, also called an A/B test, lets you compare two versions of the same page so you can see which one performs better. This is a powerful way to improve your conversions over time without guessing. I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step. First, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Funnels. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to locate the funnel where you want to run your split test, and then click on that funnel to open its dashboard. Inside the funnel dashboard, you'll see the steps or pages that make up your funnel. Find the specific page you want to test. On the right side of that page row, you'll notice an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Split Test Page. A pop-up will appear asking whether you want to create a brand new page or duplicate your existing one. In most cases, especially when you're just starting out with testing, it's easier to duplicate the current page. That way, you keep all of your existing settings and design and only change 1 or 2 elements. So select the option to duplicate the page. ClickFunnels will then reload your funnel dashboard. This may take a moment, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see 2 versions of your page side by side, indicating that your split test has been created. Above these pages, you'll see the traffic distribution bar. This controls what percentage of visitors see each version. Click on that bar and a slider will appear. Adjust the slider to set how you want the traffic split. For example, 50-50 for an even test. When you're happy with the distribution, click Apply Change to save those settings. Now, to edit your test page, hover your mouse over the new variation. An Edit button will appear. Click it and wait for the page editor to load. Inside the editor, change only the specific element you want to test, such as a headline, hero image, a video versus no video, button color or text, price display, or even the length of your form. Keeping the rest of the page the same helps you clearly see what impact that one change has. When you're satisfied with your edits, go to the top right corner and click Save. Your split test is now live and ready to start collecting data.